Hi, today we are gonna see preposition collection in English. About, above, across, after, against, along, amid, among, around, as, at, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, beyond, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, into, near, next to, of, off, on, onto, out, outside, over, past, through, to, toward, under, underneath, until, unto, up, upon, with, within, without, across from, along with, because of, due to, in addition to, in front of, in place of, in spite of, instead of, on account of, out of, prior to, with regard to, with respect to. Remember that prepositions are an essential part of English grammar and are used to convey various meanings in different contexts. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.